Today, I'm going to show you the secret sweet spot to travel to China for each month. On March, that's when spring happens, I suggest Dali or Wuzhen with blooming flower and less crowded. And if you want a classic Chinese charm, then Yangzhou is covered in peach blossom and filled with spring poetry. If you like golden fields that look like paintings, don't miss the canola flower in Wuyuan, Jiangxi. They pick in early March and last just a few weeks. If you're into culture festival, then in April, you can head to Luoyang for the Peony Festival when the whole city smells like spring. Yunnan hosts the water splashing festival. You'll get drenched in a fun way. In Weifang, don't miss the International Kite Festival, where thousands of colorful kites fly to the sky. In June, go to Chaozhou or Shantou in Guangdong province for authentic dragon boat festival. You will see the river filled with races, fireworks, and the traditional zongs, which is rice dumpling wrapped in bamboo leaves. From July to September, this is the best time to have a hiking in Tibet, Xinjiang, and Yunnan. Think high mountains, glacier lake, and the cool weather while the rest of China is boiling hot. Also in July, head to Inner Mongolia for Naadam Festival. You will see horse racing and traditional Mongolian wrestling. On August, if you're a beer lover, don't miss Qingdao Beer Festival. It's filled with German-style beer, seafood, music, and non-stop fun. For September and October, this is when China gets beautiful with the autumn. If you're in Guangzhou or Foshan, catch the fire dragon dance. Also in September, Liuyang near Changsha puts on the world-famous Firework show. In October, Zhangjiajie is the best place to visit. The fall colors are absolutely stunning, and the crowds has vanished from the Golden Week. November, don't miss Chengdu. The weather is cozy, the panda is still active, and the summer crowds are gone. Go to Huangshan in early December. The hotels are cheaper and the hiking paths are quiet. Go north to Harbin in January for the ice and the snow show. They will have giant sculptures, frozen castles, and the neon lights everywhere. Let me know in the comments below which months you would like to go, and I'll give you some of my personal suggestions on the destinations. If you want a detailed summary of all the cities to visit based on month, please click the link down below where I have summarized in the document.